for the night. Ako po si Bounce Rubo and welcome to Global Domination! Everybody say Global Domination!
Global Domination!
Ayan. So meron tayong viewing party, premiere celebration, and really a great showcase of drag excellence tonight. So maghanda kayo dyan. Pero for now, siguro tayo ay mag-group dynamics muna at to get a good vibe going siguro, no? So everyone, look to the person to your left. Sabihin mo, hi. Ang ganda-ganda mo.
Left.
And then look to the person to your right. Sabihin mo, hi. You're doing the most. Ayan. So, okay, I think alam naman natin, we are all experiencing Drag Race fever right now. And talaga naman magsasabog pa tayo lalo ng kapaklaan because tonight, we have the premiere of RuPaul's Drag Race Global All-Stars with our very own Eva the Queen. Okay, so try to avoid spoilers online muna and just take in the great 2 episodes that we have in store for you. So basically tonight ang mangyayari is we have performances and then we are going to view the first 2 episodes of RuPaul's Drag Race Global All-Stars, and then we are going to hear from the woman of the hour herself, si Eva the Queen, of course, will be joining us tonight for some Q&A. Pero for now, tayo ay magsimula na sa drag performances. Handa na ba tayo? Ulit, handa na ba tayo? Before that, let's thank our sponsors first. Palakpakan natin ang Auro Chocolates, ang Montinola Clinic, Lift is also here, Auro, OnlyFans, and of course, Beyond Limits. Palakpakan nyo naman ang sumusuporta sa kabaklaan natin lahat.
Kaya wala si Power.
Hindi tayo makakaselebrate tayo kabongga. But okay, simulan na natin ang performances. Sino namimiss na ang mga queens ng Season 2? Simulan na natin with the Miss Congeniality of Drag Race Philippines Season 2. Please welcome, starting the show, the one and only Hannah Beshi.
Two, three, 4, 5.
Palakpakan natin Miss Congeniality and Video Slayer, Hannah Pesci. Let's welcome your next performer from Drag Race Philippines Season 2, ang pambansang biday, the one and only Birdie.
Dali lang, wala pa.
This next song is actually an up-tempo song off of my new record, I Am. I love the lyrics so much, I actually wanted to do an acoustic version of it for you guys. It talks about a relationship being so wonderful, it's almost too good to be true.
from Drag Race Philippines Season 2, let us welcome ang babaeng kumakain ng contact lens sa nabisang Arizona Brandy! sponsors. We have Beyond Limits, Auro Chocolates, OnlyFans, Lift Aesthetic Clinic, Montenola Aesthetic Laser Center, and of course, the Playhouse Cleaning Up Lab. Yes, and of course, we would also like to thank Johnny Walker. Okay, eto na po tayo sa last performance ng first set. Please give it up for the Lady of the Hour. She is a global phenomenon. Your Amazon from the Philippines and RuPaul's Drag Race Global All-Stars, the one and only Eva Le Queen.
Hello?
There's no way. You must be all the time I've been by your side. I've never lost control, no matter how many times I knew you lied. Have my golden rule, gotta keep my cool, baby. Even though we've had some fun running around with some pretty young things, even though we've had one so with someone to earn a wedding ring, no matter what I had, I didn't say a word. Baby, I put up with yours like every single day. But now it's time to and listen when I say you must think that I'm crazy. You wanna replace me, baby. No way. If you think for a moment, I bet you would know, but just hold up. No way. There's no way. So you read the Bible, but it's time cast 'cause I was your brother's wife. You say it's so pretty 'cause quoting Leviticus, I ain't pretty as somebody. What I really say when I get back to Mary, my baby, you're just so foolish. Must think that I'm naive. I won't back down, won't you? And no, I'll never leave. You must
Oh my. No, wait. You thought it was funny to Wala ding aircon. Nag-brown na? Hindi nag-brown.
It's alright, I have an announcement. Sumabog yung breaker.
Oh my God.
So, we're just gonna need a couple of minutes to fix it. Well, it is what it is. Ang taas kasi na energy nyo!
There's no way. Must think that I'm naive. I won't back downwards and no, I'll never leave. You must think that I'm crazy. You wanna replace me, baby. No way. If you want it, be funny to send me to another body. You've got nothing to say. I'm not going away. There's no way. You must think that I'm crazy. You wanna replace me, baby. There's no way. So come with me till the end of my life. There's no way.
Please go up for RuPaul's Drag Race Global All-Stars, Eva the Queen! Yes, she is a total bro. Palakpakan niyo naman, the country's pride, Eva the Queen! Yan, hinga muna tayo. Ganon! Kahit yung 2 takes, pasabog parehong takes, di ba? Yan, hinga muna ang ating...
What's up, Tanghalang Masigenya? Welcome to my live rehearsals. Pero you know, it happens. What happens, happens. And maraming salamat for being a part of this very special moment in my life. It's a premiere of RuPaul's Drag Race Global All-Stars. So, palakpakan ninyo mga sarili niyo Mama, Papa, Tio, Olive, and all the long bands are here. Oh my God, yes, Tio. And also my friends are here, my college best friends, everyone. And of course, this event will not be possible without our loving sponsors. Siyempre, very close to my heart, my Lift Aesthetic family and my Montinola Aesthetic family. We're getting this hardware global ready. This body, this face, this mug. Yes. And of course, maraming salamat, Mama Pao. My dad is a shoot. Ang galing na styling team mo today, I super appreciate Mama Pao for being here. And more than Mama Pao, of course, my Drag Race sisters. Season 1, Season 2, Season 3. My Drag Den sisters. Sisters from Drag Den. My sisters from the local drag scene. Yes, and those who just enjoy the love and passion for the art of drag. You know, me being in global, this is very important. This premiere, feeling ko nga mas importante pa siya sa episode eh. Kasi to see so many beautiful drag artists in one place to celebrate me. Totoo ba? But I always say when I came there, I came as one, but I stand as 10,000. And I did not just come there because I'm good. I came there because I learned so much from the beautiful Filipino drag community that we have, the amazing hosts that we have at Drag Race, the judges. Sir Raho already here. He said he'll be coming in. All the people that natumulong na mabuo kung sino si Eva Queen. I am a culmination of all the hopes, aspirations, dreams, beauty, artistry of all of you. Okay? And of course, it would not have been possible if not for the love and support of the fans of Drag and Eva for always being there since day one. When we filmed Drag Race Philippines Season 1, wala naman kaming expectations eh. We didn't even think it's gonna grow, parang lalaki pa siya. Parang kami noon ang goal lang namin. Galingan natin para may Season 2. Yun lang. We have set our eyes kinda, yun lang, kahit Season 2 lang. But now I'm in fucking global. Yes! With all my pakarehong kaliwa, with all the learnings from all of you. So you guys are all of me, and I hope you guys enjoy the first 2 episodes because it's all about Philippines. Right? Yes! In Philippines! Magingay! I love you all. Thank you.
Yes, so Eva is going to be joining her family while viewing the first 2 episodes of Global All-Stars. So we'll view episode 1, which will run for about 50 minutes, and then we'll have another set of performances from Season 3 Queens after episode 1. And then we'll view episode 2, and then we have a final set with some of the country's most epic drag performers. So, handa na ba tayo guys for episode 1? Alright, here it is. Ating panoorin ng RuPaul's Drag Race Global All-Stars Episode 1 featuring the one and only Eva Queen. Diba? And of course, I would like to call on stage Dr. Mads Montinola for a very, very quick segment and a little special something for our global phenomenon as it is Eva Queen. Yes, here is the mic. Here you go. Nakaka-inspire naman. Parang gusto mo na rin magpa-lift ng puwet. Diba? Move over here.
Next. Thank you so much.
So, basically, meron tayo dito ang certificate of global excellence na bigay ni Dr. Mads Montinola.
Certificate of authenticity.
Laser Center. Diba?
Na ginawa.
Nagka-puwet ka na, nagka-certificate ka ba?
Diba?
Yan, maraming salamat. So, patingin ang katawan na yan. Dahil kami that is the shape. Okay.
And the tummy.
Correct. So, any words for our Woman of the Hour
You know, I really actually admire her. Really, really admire her. And I've always been watching her reels. And she's very intelligent, not just in drag art, but her brain is really, very, very smart. So we're really, really proud of you for representing Philippines.
Yes. Thank you so much, Doc Manson. Thank you for the certificate. Okay, so before, siguro quick soundbite lang from Eva before we move on sa second set of performances. Seeing the first episode, anong masasabi mo?
Guys, we have arrived! Woo! Oh my God, that was, 2 days. Actually, it's been 2 days. Parang my brain is keeping me from processing how huge this actually is. Hindi pa ako check ng Twitter, but I heard that it's crazy. Now, I would like to thank a lot of people who made that my run possible. Of course, Ryuji, Shumitsu, my styling team was there. That first runway was done by Axel K from Cebu, and also, of course, my first runway by my favorite drag mother, Erin Montoya. Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful creation, sister. You guys are gonna see it live later. I'll just switch to that though. So let's move on to the performances, right? Go.
Alrighty, so thank you so much, Doc Manson. Thank you, Eva. So ito na ang ating sunod na performances. We have queens from the very highly talked about Drag Race Philippines Season 3. Diba? Grabe naman, talagang buhay na buhay tayo every Wednesday night ngayon.
Totoo.
Because of Drag Race Philippines Season 3. So we have a number of them performing for us tonight. Siguro tayo ay magtanong muna, sino ang bias nyo ngayon sa Season 3? Sigaw nyo!
Angel!
Eva Le Queen, yes! Yan, dapat ganyan ang mga sagot nyo. But yes, make sure to watch Drag Race Philippines Season 3 on Wow Presents Plus and HBO Go. Checking lang with our team kung nasa na ang ating next set of performers. I'm very, very excited to watch them perform. Pero yun nga, we have the second part of the two-part premiere coming your way. And sabi nga ni Eva kanina, sa Twitter daw, maingay na. So try to avoid muna what has been happening sa chatter online para naman fully ma-receive nyo kung ano ang pasabog ni Eva Le Queen for the talent show extravaganza ng Global All-Stars. Okay, we would also like to thank again our sponsors. We have our chocolates, OnlyFans, Lift Aesthetic Clinic, and of course, we heard from Montenola kanina. And of course, we have Johnny Walker. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Yes! Okay, so Johnny Walker, yes! Checking lang, technically, are we ready? We are getting ready. Okay, so ano ba mga pwede, magtanong tayo dito sa ating mga fans sa baba because a number of them are very familiar faces na laging nasa mga viewing parties. Sino yung mga live na pwede kong makausap dito siguro tayo. Hi, what's your name?
Lizelle.
Hi, Lizelle. May fans ka dito. Dili kayo for Lizelle. I love it. So far, anong masasabi mo sa episode 1 ng Global All-Stars?
Hinihintay ko si
Okay. Oh, pero sa group 1, sino ang feeling mo, isa-stand mo for this season?
Of course, Alyssa Edwards.
Correct. May mga Alyssa fans ba here? Grabe no. I mean, I'm so happy we get to see Alyssa again because nung naging fan ako ng Drag Race, makatapos lang ng All-Stars 2. So I'm very happy I get to watch a season kung saan andun naman si Alyssa Edwards. At ayan, nag-signal na po ang ating pro team that we are ready for our next performer. Okay, so, ihanda na ang inyong mga sarili from Drag Race Philippines Season 3. Opening our second set, please welcome Tita Baby!
Hello, good evening everybody. Hi, hello. Hello. Welcome to my commencement exercises. So good evening everybody. Tonight is a celebration. because we are actually celebrating Eva La Queen, representing the Philippines, the first ever Global All-Stars. Hindi ba? Bakit parang hindi ko alam kung pinunta niyo dito? Yes?
Yes.
I wanna hear you cheer for Eva. So, my next song, actually, hindi next no, kasi first to eh. So my song actually is all about courage. For those like Eva who left home alone, probably afraid sometimes, di ba nakakaani? For her to get her dreams, for her to grab her dreams. So I don't know if you have experienced a moment like that, nang umalis kayo sa bahay because you wanted, against all odds, facing fear, collecting your courage because you had a dream that you wanted to achieve. Agree? So I want to dedicate this performance to Eva. Asan yung kumari mo? Mare, baka binabayaran yung kuryente. So I'd like to dedicate this performance to my kumari Eva La Queen, who gathered her courage, leaving home, facing the world, and competing in the name of the Philippines. And all those of you who have left home, who probably are lost and trying to chase your dreams. So I hope you enjoy this. I dedicate this all to you.
To get back home. Once those away to get back home. Secrets into and I will sing a lullaby. Love is
up next, also from Drag Race Philippines Season 3, siya lang naman ang nagpasabog noong episode 1. Please welcome, what's up mga gays? It's Kiana with a K.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. Give me a day or two to think of something clever, to write myself a letter, to tell me what to do. Do you read my interviews, or do you skip my afternoon when you said you were passing through? Was I even on your way? I knew when I asked you to be cool about what I was telling you, you would do the opposite of what you said you'd do, and I turned up more afraid. Don't say it isn't fair. You clearly weren't aware that you made me miserable. So if you really wanna know when I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. You called me again, drunk in your bed, driving home under the influence. You scared me to death, but I'm wasting my breath, 'cause you only listen to your fucking. I don't relate to you. I don't relate to you, no, 'cause I
Ewan ko may lines ata pa siya.
Let us welcome our last performer for the second set from Drag Race Philippines Season 3. It's Maxi.
Live singing to. Bomba na! Maxi.
dito ang natuwa sa representation ng mga nakalimot magsaksak ng rice cooker? Alright, grabe yung crowd reaction kanina. Okay, kamusta ka now? Tell us what's going on in your head and your heart.
That wasn't so bad.
Not at all!
Oh my God! I know, Mouse, we wrote that talent show together. Nagtatawanan tayo sa Rockaway. And then, of course, that song was co-written by the one who writes the musicals for Drag Race Philippines, CJ Yapko, the music. Yeah. And the voice, that's Miss Pop of Ate herself, the one who sung Pop of Ate, Paula Padre. And it was a brainstorming lang talaga ng mga baklaan. And I had fun, and I guess that's what drag is, and that's what translated to everyone. That's how crazy we are as Filipinos, and we have a twisted sense of humor, and I'm glad you guys loved it.
Yes! So kanina, you know, when you guys were talking sa workroom, it looked like you were just in pure bliss after hearing glowing critiques from the judges. I mean, sobrang deserve ni Eva, diba?
Deserve.
We take us through that moment because that's just like the stuff of dreams to hear Mama Ru say, you know, you're fantastic. But share more with us about how that moment was.
Yeah, because alam mo yun, parang we already know this gig. Marami na magaling sumayaw. Ba't ba ako makikipagsayawan sa inyong lahat? I think what it did to me was that it validated that I am present and my drag, whatever I do, it's not the same as a lot of many people call it entertaining, but I am my own artist. I am and I finally arrived on a motherfucking global stage, and RuPaul said that.
Yes!
No one can take that away from me.
Yes, makakaalala natin si Eva Queen. And of course, another gag-worthy runway from Eva, diba? So tell us more about that look sa second episode.
Yeah, so for those who get it, my mom actually came from a family of farmers. So normally, I just remember a kwento way back na parang dati, yung alkansya nila, yung mga pillars ng bamboo. Kung saan, tama ba ma? Diba? Yung mga bamboo, doon nila sinisiksik yung mga barya, probably for their college fund ng anak nila or for emergency purposes. And I wanted to channel how hardworking and how sentimental Filipinos are when it comes to money. Because that is for people who do not have a lot. That alkansya was a language of love, and I'm so happy to share it to the world.
Even that lip sync, you know, we just saw you enjoy. I think it looked like a victory lap. And tayo na wala ka nang pakialam sa nangyari, but you were having so much fun. How does it feel na, you know, first sa group mo, you know how important the first episode is, diba?
Yes.
And to be able to show that, kamusta yun?
Grabe, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Alam mo yun, every time I perform, I really do not know what happened. Everything was just a blur of lights, ganyan. Na-stretch ko ba yun ako? But, you know, I was just feeling my oats. And that song was not in English or in Tagalog. I think that's Spanish by that. So, took me quite some time to memorize Spanish words that I'm not familiar with. But the vibe, the song is a vibe. And ang sexy na tingnan dun
Oh.
Love it.
And siguro, and then last question.
Yes.
Na-declare ka na top 2, I'm sure. Na-feel mo yung shift ng energy ng cast na parang, oh wow, another front runner here. How does it feel to, you know, just show everyone that they better take you seriously?
Well, it is because, I mean, even naman yung Drag Race Philippines, and I think me as a person, I really think that when you're ahead of a competition, you cannot rest on your laurels. Our differences don't make us inferior or superior. That's why it's a drag race. Marami pang series, marami pang challenges. And there's pride in it. More than anything, I couldn't care less what these bitches think. But I am the best version of Eva the Queen from day one Drag Race Philippines to where I was at that exact moment. That's all that I could really think of. Like, it's this.
Yes! Malakpakan natin Eva the Queen! Diba? Ganun lang! mag-uuga lang tayo. Maraming salamat, my love. Eva is just gonna get ready for her performance. Palakpakan ulit natin Eva Queen, everyone. Okay, so punta naman tayo ngayon sa mga Season 1 sisters ni Eva. Sabi nga nila, there's nothing like your first. Eh, iba pa rin talaga ang cast ng Season 1 who broke new ground for everyone in the country. So, starting off our next set of performances, please welcome nandito na po si Mrs. Sabrina Escobar.
So bright. Ah, ito siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the Divine Diva! This is our original song. It's called Divine Diva. oras. At sana nag-enjoy kayo doon. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Kaya nag-enjoy kayo paglabas yung mga libre yung turon. Ano daw?
Ha?
Talaga, hindi Morgan.
Si Morgana ba yun?
Nakita ko si Ian, si ano ko, yung isa yun sa rampa. Sino yun?
Pass. Charot pass.
Yung ano, yung host natin sa rampa. Si Wanda!
Oh my God. Maraming salamat kayo mga misis once again. I'm Venus De Love.
Ay, precious planet,
Yes, palakpakan ulit natin, Venus De Love, Precious Water Nicole and Brigadier, collectively Divine Divas. At andito na po tayo, the final performance of the night. Ang nagturo sa buong mundo kung paano magsaing. Please welcome the country's pride, Eva the Queen. diba? Making us proud in the international stage. So maraming salamat for joining us. And of course, many thanks to our sponsors. We have Montinola, Clinic, Lift Aesthetic, Beyond Limits, Auro Chocolate, Johnny Walker, and OnlyPants. So maraming salamat po sa aming sponsors and to the epic lineup of queens that we had tonight. Thank you so much for your artistry. And then Eva, giving you the final words of tonight before we send everybody off.
Again, to those of you who still stay till the end, I know it's really late, it's a Friday, it's been very traffic, but you chose to spend a special day with me, and I love you all. And this is Eva La Queen, your Filipina Global Glamazon. Thank you! Yeah! Sinusok picture. Right, so guys, can I have a one groupie with all of you? Can we have the house lights on? I just want to have a photo with this. Everyone! Let's gather here.